Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a glitch on top of these fireworks right here, which is special edition for the map Eastwood. So at the moment it's just red still got a bed. I'm green, which it's just me left, and then there's one yellow left. So what you're going to need to do is, it's pretty simple. All you're going to need to do is get lots of wool, shears. You can just build straight up here, but it's less obvious if you just build normally up. So you can just place 2 blocks up, and then you just shear the bottom ones off. And yeah, so after you get to the build height limit, which is basically where the fireworks are, you're going to need to have a jump potion for this. So once you get to the firework, you just slurp your jump potion, because if you just jump normally on there, you will glitch basically. So you have to jump over it like that, and you can pretty easily just shear that away, and that's just me and them. Wonder what they're gonna do. So yeah, now basically you just can keep carefully going, and then I like to just hop right in this little corner facing middle. And basically you can't really get hurt. Does he know? I think none of them know. So yeah, this is a pretty cool glitch. Definitely works, because if you get up here pretty quickly, basically no one will notice. I don't know if these guys know or not though. Doesn't look like he knows. He's like, what? Nani? Oh, I think they've got a player tracker. What's this guy doing? See, at the moment, so far so well. I don't think that guy knows at all. Don't think any of these guys know. Oh, I wish I had a fireball. I got my sugarcane right here. That's a glitch, but isn't really useful. There's sometimes sugarcane on those little bits right there, and you can grab them off them. One of them disconnected. Do you think I can win? I might be able to win if they disconnect. The derpy derp, and then this eye trash and rip jaw. See, basically you can just sit up here. You can even go in there if you want. I'm just going to stay in the middle, because if people do... Oh, does that guy know? If people do notice you... I think he did it. Did he make an X marks the spot? I don't think so. But if people do notice you, it's good to sit here, because if they bow you, you can very easily get just shot off because it's glass panes, or if they fireball you. But if they fireball you when you're here from middle, you'll just basically just jump up and then plop back down, or plop there. So yeah. Oh, he's got a player tracker. Huh? Does he know? This is interesting. Oh, one of them reconnected. Still my Oreo. Wait, does he know? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, he doesn't know you. I might just put this on because my finger's getting really sore right now. Stop moving. Oh yeah, because This is amazing so far. Did he seriously try to just make that jump? Lol. Who's this guy? He's just chilling. He's got a play tracker though, so. Surely. Wait. Oh my god. They know. No. They know. Oh my god. I hate these fireballs. No, he's building. Stay away, you demon. Just doing no damage. So because I got iron armor, mate. One of them disconnected. Why don't all of you just disconnect? You know? I wonder what they're gonna realize when they usually need a jump potion. How can he make that but not me? That took them so long to find me. So that'll be all that's done for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and I'll see you all next time, and happy Valentine's Day.